Ndewonu. Hi everyone. Welcome to Learn Igbo channel. In this video, we're going to learn 24 basic phrases you use over and over again in your daily conversations. So these Igbo phrases will just get you started in speaking Igbo. And they're quite easy to learn and memorize. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. So the first one is Daalụ. Daalụ. Daalụ doubles as thank you, or you can also use Daalụ as hello. When you see someone, you can just say Daalụ. Or when you come and you walk into a place and someone is working or you meet people. But if there's more than one person, you say Daalụ no. So that NU makes it plural, that you're talking to different people or a lot of people or more than one person in one place. So Daalụ is to one person, Daalụ no is to two or more people. So Daalụ means thanks or hello, depending on what context you want to use it in. So the next one is Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne just means thank you very much. Daalụ rinne. Daalụ rinne. Now the next one, kwany. Kwany. Kwany is a more casual way of saying how are you. Kwany. Kedụ nke na-eme. Kedụ nke na-eme. What's up or what's happening? Kedụ nke na-eme. For native speakers, you're more likely to hear Kedụ nke na-eme, ke nke na-eme. So, and the reason why it sounds a bit different is because the words are being fused into each other, just like in any other language. Kedụ nke na-eme, Kedụ nke na-eme is all the same thing. Next one is Onye na-ekwu. Onye na-ekwu. Who is speaking? Onye na-ekwu. Onye na-ekwu. Next one, it's me. It's me. Biko bịa. Biko bịa, please come. Biko bịa. Biko bịa. Biko bịagodi. Biko bịagodi. Please just come. So it's more of an appeal, appealing more to the person to come. Biko bịagodi. Then jisie ike. Jisie ike. Jisie ike. Sometimes it might sound like jisie ike. So it all means the same thing. Jisie ike and jisie ike means the same thing. So well done or keep pushing. So jisie ike is to tell someone you're acknowledging their hard work or congratulating them. Jisie ike. Or you're walking past and you see someone working and you just want to encourage them. You say jisie ike. So jisie ike or jisie ike means well done or keep pushing. Nwaka. 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 You have done well, or you have tried, or well done. So that's what it means. Nwaka. Or if it's more than one person, unu anwaka. Unu anwaka. If someone has done something or pulled off something big, you tell them nwaka. Or if it's more than one person, a couple or more than two people. Unu anwaka. So unu is the makes it plural. So you're talking to more than one person. Unu anwaka. But one person, nwaka. So that means you have done well, you have tried, or well done. Then ndo. There's no strict translation of Undo into English, because Undo is used in so many situations in Igbo land and Igbo language. So Ndo is used when you're trying to say sorry to someone. Ndo is also used when someone falls down or something happens to someone, and you just want to ask them, are you all right? I'm feeling for you. So you say Ndo. But sometimes we translate it the straight Ndo to English. So sometimes when something happens to someone, though they fall down or something, and then you say sorry, they look at you like you haven't done anything. But in Igbo land, when something bad happens to someone, you say Ndo. When you want to apologize, you say Ndo. And then when you want to give your condolences to someone that has a bereaved person, you also say Ndo. Ana m abịa. Ana m abịa. Ana m abịa. I'm coming. I'm on my way, or I'll be right back. Ana m abịa. Ana m abịa. Next one is iwe ewena gị. Iwe ewena gị. Iwe ewena gị. Iwe ewena gị, the literal meaning of iwe ewena gị is don't be angry, but is used when you want to say excuse me to someone or you want to apologize. Iwe ewena gị, don't be angry. So iwe ewena gị means excuse me or apologies, or accept my apologies. Or you can also say Ndo, like we mentioned the other time. So iwe ewena gị, excuse me or apologies. Ka m bịakwa. Ka m bịakwa. I'll be right back. Ka m bịakwa. Ka m bịakwa. I'll be back in a moment. Ka m bịakwa. I'll be right back. Ọ ka o mee. Ọ ka o mee. Ọ ka o mee. So ọ ka o mee is a kind of sarcastic term saying yeah, right. When someone does something that you don't believe and you tell them yeah, right. So that's why you say ọ ka o mee. Ọ ka o mee. You probably know this one. Is yes. 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 Ehee no is to emphasize the yes. So is yes. Ehee no is yes, of course. Ehee no, yes, of course. Mba. 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 No. Mba. No. Sometimes there's a less verbal one that goes when someone says it's no again. But most likely you're going to hear mba. Mba. Mba is no. Mbano. Mbano is to emphasize the no. So of course not is mbano. Mbano, of course not. Kaije. 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 Let's go. Kaije. Kaije. Let's go. Inonulo. Inonulo. Again, if you're talking to more than one person, it's unu anonulo. Unu is, the plural version. Inonuno is are you home? Unu anonuno is are you people home? Are you guys home? Amam. 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 That means I know. Amam. Ebee ka ị nọ? Ebee ka ị nọ? Ebee ka ị nọ? Where are you? Ebee ka ị nọ? Ebee ka ị nọ? Where are you? A na-emekwa? A na-emekwa? How is it going? A na-emekwa? How is it going? A na-emekwa? So these are 24 basic Igbo phrases you use over and over again. Of course, there are other ones, but these are just to start you off. And if you have any words or any of the phrases I've just mentioned that you already know, or other ones you would like to know what they mean, let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video of any value, don't forget to like this video and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you soon.